I told Sirotanawa, I am 7 years old. I am studying at Lhasa Chanthaburi Mandal School. Today, I would like to talk about how I spend my free time. Free time is very important to me because it gives me a break from studying. When I have free time, I like to do things that make me happy and help me relax. One of my favorite activities is listening to music and song. It helps me feel calm and improve my mood. Sometimes I sing along even if I don't sound great. I also enjoy watching movies or video online. They entertain me and sometimes teach me something new. If I am feeling active, I might go for a run, play a sport, or exercise. A little physical activity help me stay healthy and feel more energetic. On quiet day, I like reading books, playing games, and spending time with my family or friends. It's always something I enjoy. And of course, I also spend time with my family. When I am at home, I help my family too. I help clean up or set the table. It feels good to help others. We eat together, watch a movie, or just talk. These small moments make me feel happy and loved. In conclusion, free time is not just about doing nothing. It's about using that time in a way that makes you feel alive. Watching is relaxing, learning, playing, or creative. How we use our free time, it can make a big difference in our lives. So I try to make free time meaningful and active too. Thank you for listening.